my eyebrow look irritated?
Like a little bit. Like a little bit, to be honest. To be completely honest, like a little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you know what I just realized? I didn't put on deodorant.
How?
Bro, because I don't remember.
Oh. Do you stink?
You don't want to get in there.
Oh god. I should have brought my like selfie stick. Ew, I mean, look at the spider webs in there. It's disgusting.
We should go up to one and see what spiders are.
Okay. I don't want to. It's really gross. It's like huge. Like, why do they make this like huge gross web? Ugh. It's so thick and like ew.
I don't even see a spider.
Well, obviously, who made that, bro?
I did.
I did. What you gonna do about it? Nothing.
Oh, I see a spider.
Where?
It's tiny under the leaf.
Where?
That one that's hanging down that way. It's like,
Where?
right there.
What kind? It's tiny. Oh, that thing made that?
I guess so. What you gonna do about it?
Nothing. Can you make up a haiku about a spider?
Haiku. Isn't that like
575?
575? 5 words?
Yeah. No, syllable. I meant like
Spider web of life envelops all of the time.
that's 9.
All the time.
Spider envelops all the time.
All time.
Oh, okay.
Every day.
Is that a big spider in there, or is that like needles?
Why are you doing that? You're gonna launch him.
No, whoa. No, they're just leaves.
What are you doing?
Till he drops. You make one. It's not so easy now, is it?
Yeah, we were just gonna grab
Spider. Oh, so sweet.
Works for you. We were just gonna keep driving down the highway a little bit. Just we drive past.
Spider, you are so. Oh, shit. You. How did it work the first time?
Spider, oh so sweet.
Spider, oh so sweet. Spider,
Tickle my
tender. Spider, you have tender meat.
What? Oh.
Dinner, you shall be.
Okay.
Is that good?
Add a boing sound effect. Ready? Wait, stop moving. Boing.
Oh, we're going up?
What you gonna do about it? Let's see if one second. Ha. Holy crap.
I am so glad we did this.
Blackberries. Mmm. Oh, you really can. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, it almost fell. I mean, I dare you to go get down under there, under the water. Should I do it?
I think that would hurt.
Really? Like, I want to go down too, no fair. Oh, it's wet. It's super wet. It's super tall. We're like way under here. This is awesome. My shoes are gonna get all wet. Oh my god. Oh! so wet. Ah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh my god! That's so gross. Oh, oh, oh! It's getting me, it's getting me, go! Oh, you're gonna slip. You're gonna slip, you're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! I know, look at my pants!
I should have came in flip-flops.
I really want to go. Hold your jeans. Hold your jeans. Oh, Remy, I'm gonna fall. Oh, fuck, I'm so wet. Okay, that was really slippery. I feel like one of those like stupid like hiking like incident videos where it's like two hikers dead after trying to vlog their hike to a waterfall. Imagine a giant rock just fell off the top and crushed us. I'm gonna edit that in. Huge. Oh, I don't have any clothes. I don't have any other clothes. I don't know. I don't have any other clothes. We can get the waterfall in the background. Whoa! Look at those weird. What are those? Are those baby trees? Are those baby trees? What are those weird things? You're not gonna be able to hear anything. Come over here so we can get the waterfall.
What you gonna do about it?
I don't know. And then you slip. Imagine slipping and falling in there, bro.
Get out.
That would hurt.
Oh, I just zoomed in all the way. Okay, go.
Boom. Ba, 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 ba. Wait. Renegade. Renegade.
Well,
I can't stop it.
Ava is.
I can't stop it.
No one else is. It's just Ava.
I swear I have a slippery chair.